Hey students, this is Krishna here. In the last video, we studied the examples related to the properties of whole number. So today we will continue with that. Now example number 5. Here your question is 57 multiplied by 3 plus 57 multiplied by 7. So here what you are going to do, you can see that 57 is common here and it is distributed to both the numbers. So this is distributive property. So what we will do here, we can see that this is A multiply B plus A multiply C. You can see the pattern. This is A, this is B and this is C. So we have the formula, if A multiply B plus A multiply C is there, then what we have to do, take A common and what will remain inside B plus C. As plus is here, it will come here also. Now let us put the values. 57 multiplied by 3 plus 7. So 57 multiplied by 3 plus 7 will give you 10. So 57 multiplied by 10 will give you 570. So 570 is your answer. Here we have not multiplied anything. It is done orally. So this is the use of the property. Now next one, you can see 3994 multiply 3. So here what we will do, this we will round off. Round off you have studied in chapter 1. Rounding off the number means you have to take out the number. You have to convert the number to the nearest tens, hundreds or thousands. So here this we will convert it to the nearest thousands. So if you convert this to the nearest thousand, it will become 4000, right? So 4000 minus 6 multiplied by 3. This will be your question. Now what we did here, we taken out 57. Here we will distribute this 3 to both. How we will do? See here. 4000 multiplied by 3 minus 6 multiplied by 3. 4000 multiplied by 3 will give you 12,000 minus 6 3s are 18. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 11982. Don't forget to put box in your final answer. So this way we will solve the exercise also. Okay. So here is our exercise 2.1, page number 23. Here also you will be using the properties to solve the blanks. Now your first blank is 63 plus 27 is equal to dash plus 63. We know that if we change the sequences, it does not change the answer. So here 63 plus 27, so 27 plus 63 will be your same answer. So 27 is the correct answer. Next one, dash plus 0 is equal to 207. Now here you are not adding anything, then the number will remain same. So your answer will be 207. Third one, dash plus 0 is equal to 0. No values, so answer is again 0. Now 66 minus dash is equal to 66. See, whenever you are getting confused with this all digits, just assume the favorite example, that is of chocolates. What you will think, you are having 66 chocolates with you, no one is taking from you, then you are having the same chocolates, right? So your answer will be 0. Next one again, 0 minus dash is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 27 multiplied dash is equal to 4 multiplied 27. Again in multiplication also, if we change the sequence, it does not change the answer. Like 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So here 27 into 4 will be your answer. Next one, 369 multiply 0. As I told you when I was explaining you the properties of multiplication, anything multiplied by 0 will give you 0. So your answer will be 0. Next one, 0 divided by 48. Okay, so 0 divided by 48 will give you 0. See how? Because it is getting divided by a whole number. See, suppose if we were dividing 48 by 0, then we will not get any answer. It will be undefined. But if you divide 0 by 48, then you can get quotient 0. Okay? Okay. Now question number 9. 308 plus 64 plus 21 is equal to 308 plus dash plus 64. Here what they have done, they have just grouped it in a different numbers. 3 numbers are there. First they are multiplying this 2. Now which 2 they are multiplying? These 2 are already there, which is remaining 21. So your answer will be 21. Similarly here also 3 numbers are there and they have grouped it into different numbers. So which number is remaining? You just have to see. 712 came, 374 came. So 276 is your answer. Next one, 200 multiply 300 plus 500. Here this 200 they have distributed to both. So 200 here, to 300 they have already given. To 500 it is remaining. So we will write 500. Next one, 42 plus 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to dash multiply 6 plus 48. Now here it is a twist. First you do one thing, you distribute this 6 to both. We know distributive property, right? So we have distributed here 6 into 42 and 6 into 8. Now here 6 8s are 48. So that they have already written. Here 42 multiply 6 if we will write, then it will be same. So what we will do, we will write here 42. So 42 will be our answer. Okay, 13th question is here. 300 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 plus 3 multiplied dash. Here again you have to think, this is also a distributive property. Here 6 you know that it is 2 multiply 3, right? So they have distributed this 3 to 2. Now this 300 you take out 2 from there. So 298 plus 2 multiply 3. Now you will get the answer. See, 2 multiply 3 is 6. Now what is remaining? 3 multiply. Here with 2 they have already multiplied. So 298 you will multiply. Then you will get the answer. See what we have done. See properly. This 300. See when they are giving the bigger numbers we are rounding up, right? Here what we did reverse of it. So 300 we made it of 2 parts, 298 plus 2. Now this 3 will be distributed to both. So 3 multiply 298 plus 3 multiply 2. Now how we get idea that 2 we have to take? Because here 6 was already there. And if you divide 6 by 3 you will get 2. So 2 3s are 6, they have already done. So what is remaining? Only 298 was remaining. And so here we multiplied it with 298. Now next one, 5 plus 95 multiply 24. This 24 we are going to distribute it to both the numbers. So 24 multiplied by 95 they have already did. What we have to do? What is remaining? 5. So 5 into 24. Okay, the next one is 299 divided by dash is equal to not well defined. As I told you, you cannot divide any number by 0. You can divide the number by 1, but you cannot divide the number by 0. So anything divided by 0 is not well defined. Okay? So now let us go for question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. 78 plus 63 is not equal to 63 plus 75. Now, yes, it is not equal. Why? Because here 75 is given. If 78 was there, then it would have given the same answer. So, this question is true. Second one, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So, if you will add 0 to 0, then of course you will get the 0 as answer. Now, third one, 27 minus 0 is equal to 0 minus 27. Now, here if you will see the commutative property in subtraction, it is not applicable here. You will not get the same answer. 27 minus 0 will not be equal to 0 minus 27. So, it is false. Number 4. 61 into 0 is equal to 0 into 61. It is true. Why? Because in multiplication, commutative property works. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 3 multiply 2. Similarly, 61 multiply 0 will give you 0 multiply 61. Same answer. Number 5. 88 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 88. Here also commutative property. So, it is true. Now number 6. 0 divided by 0 is not equal to 0. It is true. Why? Because if you divide anything by 0, what you will get? You will get undefinite or not well defined answer. So it is true. Question number 7. 61 divided by 0 is equal to 0 divided by 61. It is false. Why? Because if you divide 0 by 61, you will get the answer, but 0 divided by 61, it is not well defined. Next one, 0 multiply 0 is not equal to 0. It is false. Why? Because 0 multiply 0, you will get 0. Number 9. 27 plus 3 28 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 28 plus 3 plus 7. Here they have grouped in the different numbers. So that is true. This is associative property. They have just changed the groups. So it will give you the same answer. Number 10. 88 minus 77 is equal to 77 minus 88. It is not correct because in subtraction commutative property will not work. Number 11. 506 multiplied by 204 is not equal to 204 multiplied by 506. It is false. It will give you the same answer because in multiplication the commutative property will work. Number 12. 408 divided by 204 is not equal to 204 divided by 408. It is true. It will not be equal answer because in division this property will not be effective. Then number 13. 1000 minus 100 minus 10 is not equal to 1000 minus 10 minus 100. It is true. It will not be equal because in subtraction, if you change the sequence of the number, it will not give you same answer. So it is true. Now question number 14. 123 plus 321 into 132 is equal to 132 multiply 123 plus 321 multiply 132. So here if you will see 132 is distributed to both the numbers. So it is true. Distributive property. Number 15. 64 divided by 32 divided by 16 is equal to 64 divided by 16 divided by 32. It is false because in division this associative property in which the three numbers are grouped in different ways is not applicable. So this answer is false. So I hope you all understood this all, true or false. In the next video we will carry on with question number 3 and next topic. Bye bye. Have a nice day.